Hey everybody, Dustin Gaskey, Thomas Title Escrow, covering today's title talk. We're going to be covering 4 areas today. 1, why Phoenix Theater Company purchased an apartment complex. Covering deals between 2022 and 2023, over $100 million, where we are year to date. Also where we are default, we've got 344 CRE loans maturing by the end of the year. And we also recently closed one of the highest priced hospitality transactions here in Paradise Valley. The Phoenix Theater Company, why did they buy an apartment complex, and why are brokers and sellers looking for different avenues to sell multifamily today? Very interesting. It's a 100% occupied building down on 5th Street. This transaction was purchased by Phoenix Theater Company with their intention. Their traveling performers will be housed here, and this is their second building they've acquired for this. So once these occupants vacate the building, they will turn it into temporary housing for their performers as they're performing on different shows in the valley. I'd like to congratulate our team led by Sheila Hunter. We were able to work with the sellers on the DoubleTree Hotel here just up the road from our office. It closed at $115.5 million. This is one of the area's largest transactions for hospitality, and we are very grateful for our clients in this and also for the talent level that Sheila and her team brought to this transaction. All right, we recently reviewed year-to-date numbers for commercial closings over $100 million. We sit at 11 closings over $100 million year-to-date. Last year at this exact time, we were at 37. Overall transaction volume here, $1.3 billion year-to-date for us in 2023 and $5.2 billion last year at this time. We're at only 26% of total volume, to give you an idea of where transactions are happening today. It doesn't mean they're not happening. We're still closing deals day in and day out. Volumes are actually very similar. Just the price point of those deals tends to be much smaller during these summer months. And also this year versus last, we've definitely seen a big fluctuation in deal size. Our team's diligently tracking maturing loans. Right now, we've got 344 commercial loans that are coming due by the end of the year. The majority of those are actually led by industrial, followed real closely by multifamily, and then by office. If you're looking for more details on what those maturing loans are, feel free to reach out to me or any of the members of our sales team. We'd be happy to share that information with you. It's something we're tracking in real time, and we do share with our partners and clients here. The school back in session for most of us, we're anticipating an increase in CRE volumes here in the Valley. Most of us have had incredible summers, spent time with our family and loved ones. Thankfully, many of us have our kids back in school. We're getting back to some standard ways in which we do our business here, and we're looking forward to volumes increasing. We've also had some major disruption in capital markets, as well as what's just happened in Lahaina this last week. There's going to continue to be more and more change in terms of how the government needs to step in for there, how the insurance companies will be supporting there. I anticipate quite a bit of change is going to be happening within commercial real estate, not specifically because of that, but definitely enhanced by that and what's happening in capital markets currently. Thank you all for joining us on this snippet of what's happening in the market. We're happy to share deeper details on any of these. If you have anything you'd like us to share in our next conversations, or you want us to have some deeper conversations with you about these topics, please reach out to me or anybody that works on our team. Thank you very much for considering Thomas Title for your next closing.